Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. So, Indian crypto exchange WazirX has resumed INR withdrawals in two phases starting August 26th. Users can initially withdraw up to half of their 66% INR balance limit, with full access to the 66% limit starting September 9. Also, WazirX has reduced withdrawal fees to ₹10. The initial phase of INR withdrawals allows users to withdraw up to 100,000 rupees per day, with plans to increase this limit in subsequent phases. For resuming crypto withdrawals, WazirX announced on Friday that it is seeking approval from the High Court of Singapore to implement a restructuring plan. This plan aims to distribute the remaining crypto assets equitably among users after the July 18 hack. One of the biggest in 2024 claimed over $230 million, or 45% of user assets. If any one of our viewers are facing any difficulties in withdrawal process, then please comment to us and we will air your queries until it gets noticed by WazirX team. India's central bank governor Shaktikanta Das has said that while their retail central bank digital currency pilot has over 5 million users, there should not be any rush to roll out a system-wide CBDC. The senior-most official of RBI was speaking at a conference in Bengaluru on Monday, and on Monday, Das said as many as 16 banks are currently participating in the retail CBDC pilot, but did not reveal a number for the daily transactions. The programmability feature of CBDC could serve as a key enabler for financial inclusion by ensuring delivery of funds to the targeted users, Das said, while pointing to two use cases involving farmers launched as part of their pilot recently: programming the end use for purchase of agricultural inputs to comfort banks and establish the farmer's identity, farmers getting purpose-bound money for generation of carbon credits. Also, Das said the other new use cases aimed at testing features such as anonymity and offline availability are proposed to be rolled out gradually. US-listed spot Bitcoin ETF saw significant activity with over $252 million in net inflows and trading volumes exceeding $3.12 billion, driven by positive market sentiment following comments at the Jackson Hole Symposium. So, BlackRock's IBIT and Fidelity's FPTC led in inflows, while Grayscale's GBTC experienced outflows. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hints at loosening monetary policy at Jackson Hole led to a surge in Bitcoin prices above $64,000, with expectations set for a potential rate cut at the next Fed meeting on September 17. Well, Fidelity's FPTC was next with $64 million in inflows, while Bitwise's BITB took in $42 million to cross the $2 billion assets under management mark for the first time. And Grayscale's GBTC was the only product showing net outflows at $35 million. However, its mini Bitcoin fund BTC was in the green with $50 million inflows. Artificial intelligence tokens led the market on Monday as traders in Asia poured money into FED, the token of the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, as well as Bit&Sauce DAO. So the move into AI tokens comes ahead of Nvidia's widely anticipated earnings on August 28. So FET is up 8.8% as of early afternoon Hong Kong time, while DAO is up 4.7%. Historically, Nvidia has been a bellwether for the growing AI token space, with tokens edging up in anticipation of its earnings. So analysts polled by FactSet expect this quarter's earnings per share to be a blockbuster event with earnings of 65 cents per share, a 141% increase from the previous year, with revenue expected to reach $28.72 billion, up 113%. So this would be Nvidia's fifth consecutive quarter of triple-digit growth, with the tech sector expected to perform strongly throughout the rest of the year, given that Fed will likely cut rates in September. Last week, digital asset investment products experienced a significant net inflow of $533 million, the largest in 5 weeks. So Bitcoin products drove this increase with $543 million in inflows, reflecting renewed investor confidence. In contrast, Ethereum products saw a net outflow of $36 million, suggesting a temporary shift in investor preferences. While geographically, the majority of inflows came from the US, which is $498 million, with smaller contributions from Hong Kong and Switzerland. Well, this trend highlights the dominant role of US in the global crypto market and evolving investment patterns. Telegram CEO Pavel Durov was detained by French authorities at an airport following a criminal complaint related to the platform's moderation practices. Well, in response, Telegram issued a statement affirming its full compliance with European Union law and asserting that its content moderation practices are both in line with industry standards and continually improving. The company also emphasized that Durov has nothing to hide and frequently travels across Europe. So the incident has garnered significant community support, with Ron's Trust and Son pledging to donate $1 million to a DAO focused on securing Durov's release. The stablecoin market has seen significant growth, reaching a new peak with a market cap of over $168.1 billion, surpassing its previous record from March 2022. The 0.8% increase from last week is largely due to rising institutional interest, as stablecoins are increasingly viewed as secure assets amid market uncertainties. Tether remains a dominant stablecoin, with its market cap growing by 28% since the start of 2024, while Circle's USD coin also shows stronger growth. The growing use of stablecoins highlights their role in bridging traditional finance with the crypto market, offering stability and liquidity. An EY Parthenon survey found that over 20% of institutional investors hold XRP. Among 277 surveyed, 57% invest in crypto beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, with family offices particularly favoring alternatives like XRP. So while Bitcoin and Ethereum remain dominant, 24% invest in Solana and 20% in XRP. The survey also noted a shift towards USDC in the stablecoin market, with expectations for increased digital asset investment in the coming years. Tokenization of real-world assets is rapidly growing, driven by private credit and US treasuries. So the sector recently hit $2 billion in tokenized treasuries, with major growth from players like Ondo Finance and new entrants like Hashnote. While Ethereum remains the top blockchain, but Mantle is also gaining ground. Tokenized private credit is expanding, and the RWA sector has seen a 30% recovery in value recently. This growth is attracting both mainstreaming and DeFi projects, suggesting potential future rallies. Bitcoin Dunes, launched in August, has earned $162.4 million from 15.6 million transactions. Initially, it saw high activity but recently experienced a decline, averaging 50,000 daily transactions. So currently, it occupies about 10% of Bitcoin network usage, with BTC dominating. Despite a drop in dominance, Dunes has outperformed BRC20 on most days and may see increased market potential as new developments and trading solutions emerge. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.2 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.